Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Ray-Ban model, RB4057, and color code 623/40. It's a gray-black color frame. On the temples here, we have a silver Ray-Ban logo. This is the inside of the frame. This frame is made in Italy. The other side of the temple is the same. And the lenses are a gray silver mirror color. And on the top right lens, we have a white Ray-Ban writing. This frame does come with a Ray-Ban gift box and a black Ray-Ban case. Inside the case, we have a Ray-Ban manufacturer booklet and a Ray-Ban microfiber cleaning cloth.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.